Trap back jumping on and you're nothing. 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 When you hear my phone.
What's up? Y'all already know who it is. Trap Guy Ty, Queen of Connecticut, Mrs. Pressure herself. We finna get into some things. Y'all, I'm finna put y'all up on some game. Do you hear me? Without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. But before we do, make sure y'all turn on that notification bell and subscribe, baby. Subscribe. Right here, I'm taking my pre-made butterfly lock and I'm opening up that loop at the top. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to split my client's hair in two, placing one of the pieces of hair through the loop and braiding it in. Braiding it in makes it super secure. I don't have to worry about it falling out or unraveling. And also, this slices my timing in half tremendously. This literally took me an hour and a half compared to maybe 2 or 3 hours, depending on the client's head. But nevertheless, let's get right back to it. I braid it down, and then just like I was going to install my soft locks, I begin to wrap the base only. Still using the thumb method to leave out the pieces so it blends well with the bottom half of the lock, if that makes sense, you guys. Super cute and super fast. This is me showing you guys. Everybody's like, oh my God, but how would you take it out? Wouldn't it take so long? Oh my gosh, will I cut my hair? First of all, it's still going to be a process when you take your hair out. So just take your time. Don't rush when you take it out, but take your time. Okay, so I'm showing y'all step by step again. I'm braiding the lock in right here. And then I'm going to wrap. Okay, and I was using my daughter as a model, so I didn't want to be super rough on her head at all, so I did everything very loose. Okay, my daughter is only 3, but okay, let's get through this part. Girl, hurry up. So now I'm gonna take the lock and turn it counterclockwise, slide it down, cut that loop right there, only the wrapping hair, and then the braid is revealed. I'm gonna cut that loop right at the base. I'm about to show you guys right here. Right at the base, and cut it right there. Then it slides easily right out of the braid. I hope you guys like this method, and if you don't, keep that hating shit to yourself. Peace.